This is the intro to the bass guitar. I have a Ibanez bass, and I like this one because it has a very slim neck. The frets aren't as spread out as, say, maybe a Fender Precision bass. I don't have real big hands, so in this one I can play quite well. But I want to start with the names of the strings. And the first string is the string closest to the ground, and that's this string, and that's the G string. The next string, the second string, is the D string. The third string is the A, and the fourth string is the E. And these are the same strings names as the lower four strings on a guitar, a six-string guitar: E, A, D, and G. Now, before you get started, you're going to want to tune your instrument. And this is a iPhone tuner. This is a free app. It's Plus Add Tuner PTU.2. You turn it on by clicking the tuning forks. And let's start with the first string, G. Okay, it's a little bit flat because the needle is going that way. So I'm going to tighten the tuning key just a bit. And I'm turning it clockwise. There we go. Next string is the D string, the second string. Also flat. So I'm going to turn this tuning key. There we go. As long as it's in the green, it's in tune. The A is the third string. I'm fine. And then low E, the fourth string. Yeah, I'll take it. All right. And I turn this off by hitting the tuning forks again. Now it's off. Okay. Now, the bass guitar, you want to have a strap. You want to plug it into an amp. I have a Fender Bass 200. It's a good combo amp. It's kind of short. It's got a big 15-inch speaker woofer, and it's good for clubs, live performances. In a bigger hall, it could be mic'd. Also in the back, it has the jack to plug into a big house system. When I played in the pit at a major Huntington Beach auditorium, the sound guy plugged me into the house system so I could hear myself, plus it was directly wired. So it's a very good combo amp. At the time it was $400. Now you can find them for about $200 used. Also, Boss is good. You can never go wrong with Mesa Boogie amps. For a beginner, you might want to get a practice amp that can even be battery powered. But one important thing is, any guitar or bass can use a bass amp, but a bass cannot use a guitar amp. It'll blow out the speakers. The frequency is too low. So if you get a bass amp, you could plug anything into it. Guitars, keyboards, you could do synths, anything electric. But with a bass guitar, it has to go into a bass amp. Now, to get your fingers strong, you don't want to get into the habit, and I've seen people do this, they play everything with their middle finger. No, you want to play all of your fingers. And this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, your ring finger is 3, and your pinky is 4. And you want to start with a basic warm-up. And I always suggest you use a metronome. I'll slow it down for your first lesson. So 1, 2, we're doing this exercise. Now, what I did was I played first finger on the first fret, second finger on the second fret, third finger on the third fret, and fourth finger on the fourth fret. I'm going to do it 4 times. Then I'm going to go from the 4th string to the 3rd string to the 2nd to the 1st. A person with big hands could hold down their fingers on every fret. Also, it's very important that your elbow be turned in and that you're using the fingertips as the point of contact. It's your fingertips. If you've got nails, long nails, you can't play flat fingered. It's not going to make a good tone. And also you might hit other strings that you shouldn't be hitting. But it's the fingertips, and I'll slow it down a bit. And because of this recording, you can use this and practice along with this as you day to day get your fingers stronger. Mostly it's the 4th finger you want to build up. 1, 2, with me. Oh, let me stop for a second. What I'm doing in the right hand is this. I have my hand on the bass, and I'm just going back and forth with the 1st and 2nd finger. I'm plucking the strings. Later, you can start using a pick, and you hold it like this, and it's usually a stick pick, a stiff, flat pick. But right now, just the hands. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, with me. Trying to get a good tone so the string doesn't buzz. And stop. Now, you could do this numerous times. If you finished it, then I would suggest you go backwards. Excuse me. 4 times each. Once more. And then lead with the pinky. It may take you some time